In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Rippling account, your all-in-one HR software solution for businesses in the UK. Let's dive into the process, ensuring that each step is clear and easy to follow, so you can successfully set up your account with confidence. Firstly, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Rippling's official website specifically for UK businesses. You can do this by typing in the URL or simply searching for Rippling UK. Once the website loads, you'll notice a range of HR tools and features that they offer. But for now, let's focus on getting started by setting up your account. On the home page, you'll see an option labeled See Rippling. Click on that. This will take you to a page where you can explore the different functionalities Rippling provides through a demo, or get the process started right away. Now you're on the demo request page, a crucial step in setting up your account as it lays the groundwork and provides tailored insights into how Rippling can serve your business needs. You'll need to fill out a series of forms with your details, which helps Rippling tailor their services to you. Start by entering your personal and business information, details like your full name, company name, and your role within the organization. You will then need to provide contact details like your email address and phone number. This is important as Rippling will use these to verify your account and keep you updated about your demo request's status. As you continue filling in the forms, you'll come across some questions that help Rippling better understand your business. You'll need to specify the size of your company. This could be the number of employees or the level at which your business operates. Providing accurate information here ensures you get the best possible service from Rippling right out of the gate. Next up, you'll be asked to select the specific products or services you're interested in. Rippling offers a range of products, so take a moment to consider your business's current needs and future plans. Selecting the right products will help Rippling personalize their demo to better reflect how their tools could benefit your organization. With all your details filled out, it's time to move to the final step, clicking on Get Started. This is located at the bottom of the page, and by doing so, you've initiated the process for setting up your Rippling account. Rippling will typically process your request and get back to you shortly with the next steps and your custom demo. Congratulations! You're on your way to accessing a streamlined and efficient HR solution tailored just for you. That's how you set up your Rippling account. All steps completed with ease and clarity. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out in the comments below or contact Rippling's support team for assistance. Thanks for watching, and I wish you all the best with managing your HR needs using Rippling.